5 Best Cameras for YouTube in 2025. 1. Sony ZV-E10 Mark I, best all-around camera for most YouTubers. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark I is an excellent choice for creators who want to balance professional features and user-friendly design. It builds on the popularity of the original ZV-E10 with meaningful upgrades like 10-bit video recording, improved low-light performance, and enhanced color science, all thanks to the sensor borrowed from Sony's higher-end FX30 and A6700 models. The flip-out screen and powerful autofocus make it ideal for solo creators, while the compact size keeps it travel-friendly. While it may overheat slightly in 4K 60 frames per second under intense conditions, it performs reliably indoors or with short clips. For under $1,000 with a lens, this is easily the best overall value in 2025. 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, best for vlogging and travel content. For vloggers and travel content creators, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact powerhouse. What sets this camera apart is its built-in 3-axis gimbal, which ensures buttery smooth footage straight out of the box. It delivers outstanding video quality with a 1-inch sensor that excels in low light and gives a subtle depth of field for a more cinematic look. It's extremely easy to use, fits in your pocket, and connects wirelessly to DJI's mic system for high-quality audio. This camera is perfect for creators on the move who want cinematic footage without the bulk of a traditional setup. 3. Sony FX30, best for aspiring filmmakers and studio setups. If you're aiming for a top-tier production value and don't want to compromise, the Sony FX30 is a fantastic option. Built for creators who take video seriously, it features the same 10-bit sensor found in higher-end Sony bodies, offers in-body image stabilization, and includes advanced video formats like S-Cinetone and Log. Its active cooling system means you can record for extended sessions without overheating, making it ideal for long-form videos, podcasts, and studio shoots. While it doesn't have a full-frame sensor, the image quality is incredibly cinematic for the price. It's a professional-grade camera at a prosumer price. 4. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, best budget camera for beginners. For creators just starting out, or those looking for a lightweight, rugged, and affordable camera, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro offers exceptional value. Priced at around $350, it features strong image stabilization, dual screens, and built-in storage for emergencies when you forget your memory card. Its horizon balance feature helps maintain level footage even during movement, making it perfect for action vlogs or everyday use. With 4K video, great battery life, and wireless mic support, it's an unbeatable entry-level option for new YouTubers who want convenience without compromising too much on quality. 5. Sony ZV-E1 best full-frame camera for YouTube. For creators who want the ultimate video quality without jumping to a cinema camera, the Sony ZV-E1 is a dream. It features the same full-frame sensor found in Sony's flagship FX3 and A7S III models, delivering outstanding low-light performance, shallow depth of field, and cinematic colors. The body is compact, lightweight, and packed with features like in-body stabilization, AI-powered autofocus, and a fully articulating screen. This is the best choice for creators who prioritize image quality and want a future-proof setup for years of professional YouTube production.